basketball not too long ago. Actually, when I say not too long ago, I meant 2 days ago. All right, so here we go. 2016 Donruss Dual Box Break. 1251 is your same time. Vikes fan, Lambo, Colin Doug, T-Rashi Hooligan, Vikes, Average Joe. We'll see what we can do here, but a lot of serial number stuff. All you have to do is hit one serial numbered like Dak Prescott, and it's like, oh, game over. There you go. Here's your money back. I'm just telling you, dude, this stuff's crazy hot, but we pulled a really nice Ray Lewis. I mean, it will be a really nice Ray Lewis out of 25, I believe, earlier out of this Donruss stuff. So the vet autos are plentiful in Donruss. So good to have you guys on board. Thanks so much for hanging out. And here we go. He goes, don't hold out on us. Here's Joey Bosa out of $9.99. Bosa, quit messing around, dude. Just sign a contract, bruh. Oh, act like I just broke 24 packs in less than 4 minutes. M. Gibbs, come on, man. Here's LT, 3 out of 11. Going to those Chargers, 3 out of 11. Then Jordy Nelson out of $9.99 going to Green Bay. It's the amount of serial numbered stuff in here that's going to hold it up, but it's not even holding it up because I like it. See the aqueous test, Dion Lewis. If you guys didn't read the article on, I was making sure that these were going out to you guys because the aqueous tests are numbered to 50 or less internally. So if you're like, oh man. So that's going to New England, which would be Floyd Town, continuing his tear tonight. Here's a $9.99 out of $9.99, Matty Stafford. Antonio Brown out of 100. Going to Pittsburgh. Keep selling out too fast. All right, I think I got another one of those diamond here. I can fire that one up. Here's Le'Veon Bell out of 250 going to Pittsburgh. It's going to be a lot of base, I promise you that. But I'll get through these here for us. So there's going to be one auto. Oh, Romo. Out of $9.99. Is that a 101? If it's his jersey number's 9 and it's out of $9.99, that'll make your head spin, won't it? All right, Jordan Howard, $9.99. Big Ben Gridiron, $250. So you guys got dual boxes of this stuff, and it was crazy cheap. Was it 12 bucks? That's stupid. That's a little silly. All right, so after this, there's a Big Ben, 25 out of 50. Then a Rod Woodson out of $9.99. A lot of Pittsburgh stuff here. Dude, these are actually tough autos to come by. The rookie autos are tough to come by out of Donruss. 44 to 75. Miles Jack going to Jacksonville. October Sky. Then Amari Cooper out of $9.99. Going to Oaktown. So almost done with this first box here. There you go. Marcus Mariota. Going to Hooligan HQ. Little jersey in there for you. And a Jalen Ramsey out of $9.99. Jacksonville. All right, last couple packs in this box. And as promised, running at 4 minutes to knock out 24 packs, although M. Gibbs didn't think it could be done. It was done. Here's Dan Marino, and that is 8 out of 75. Even with all that glitter on there, still knock that thing out real quick. All right, you guys got one more box here. We got one more dual round of Donruss, but you can see a nice little stack. We got our Miles Jack auto, so there's one auto and one memorabilia card per box. So we hit the Miles Jack and then the Marcus Mariota. Okay, here we go. I like it. A patch auto. Trevor Davis going to Green Bay. That'll be Zeke's 13. There you go, bud. So Zeke's 13 with a patch rookie auto. That's kind of rare. Every time we see the, they have like Al Pacino. We've hit like the Victoria's Secret. I forget her name. But we hit the Victoria's Secret model autograph before a couple times. 268 out of 280. Marcus Peters going to KC. So right after this break, I'll get another one of the Topps Diamond listed up for you guys as well. So hang tight. DeAndre, $9.99. And a Will Fuller, $9.99. Oh my gosh. Demaryius Thomas, 45 out of 75. Demaryius. Hey, now, Rod Woodson, out of $9.99, going to Pittsburgh. Yes, Marissa Miller, thank you. All right, AD, banging out the college hits. And Ezekiel Enzah, 19 out of 100. Then Tyler Irving, $9.99. All right, almost through it. And like I said, we only got one more round of this, and I'll put up another Topps Diamond. You guys can be trading around teams too if you'd like, but a nice little stack of hits from this dual crazy cheap Donruss late night break. Earl the Pearl, $250. And little Jameis Winston going to Tampa Bay, which would be Average Joe. With Jameis Winston, then Isaiah Crowell out of 100. Going to those Browns. Chris Johnson out of 50. Going to Arizona. Because the Prism Draft is the devil. Then Zach, it just hurts so good. Followed up by Amir Abdullah out of 99. Jeez. The amount of base. Antonio Brown, $9.99. Malcolm Mitchell out of 100. Going to New England. And last couple packs here. We got one more dual draft. But like I said, if I keep this under 10 minutes, which I'm going to, Cardale Jones, $9.99. You guys should know how to plan accordingly for this next break, because it'll be done in 10 minutes flat. All right. Cool. So not bad. Like I said, for 12 bucks for 2 teams, 2 boxes, and that many hits coming out of those 2 boxes, that ain't bad at all. So, okay, let me go ahead and